Showings start after open house 129. Updated ranch with fenced yard and country subdivision on Janesville south side. Spacious open plan layout with plenty of natural light. Good size eat-in kitchen with access to deck overlooking nice yard with mature pine trees along fence line. Main floor primary bedroom has ensuite bath and walk-in closet. Second bedroom and full bath also on first floor. 2 bonus rooms and lower level currently being used as additional, non-conforming, bedrooms. MF laundry. Additional laundry hookups and lower also available. Family room and lower features stairs to 2-car garage with included workbench and shelving. New flooring throughout most of house in 2022. Close to bike path and park. Just a few minutes to Highway 11 bypass and I-90 for easy commuting.